Our assessment of the City of El Centro 92243 reveals various structural and environmental factors that may influence the health and well-being of its residents. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, as of 2024, the population estimate for El Centro is 44,230 people. The city has a diverse range of schools, facilities, restaurants, shops, and parks. However, there is only one hospital, El Centro Regional Medical Center, available to serve not only the residents of El Centro but also neighboring towns and the adjacent city of Mexicali. This limited access to healthcare services contributes to high patient volumes, unsafe staff to patient ratios, and an increased risk of individuals being underserved due to limited resources, such as hospital beds and other medical equipment.
Throughout the city, homelessness was observed in several areas where people were living in tents. This population remains vulnerable to extreme weather conditions, substance abuse, sexual and physical violence, and food insecurity. According to the Pearl Valley Public Health Department, between May and August 2023, ECRMC reported 123 cases of heat-related illnesses. In July 2023 alone, 18 heat-related deaths were reported. Additionally, the hot weather in the city of El Centro limits physical activity. The city offers indoor facilities such as a pavilion, local gyms, and a public indoor mall as alternative spaces for physical activity.
Recreational opportunities are available at Buckland Park, which features large grassy areas and paved walking paths that encourage physical activity. Despite these assets, the city's infrastructure presents safety concerns, including numerous potholes and poorly developed sidewalks and roads. This increases the risk of motor vehicle accidents and limited access to a walkable city. Additionally, agriculture contributes to El Centro's economic development, but also exposes residents to pesticides and other pollutants. This exposure has been associated with increased rates of asthma and other respiratory illnesses in the community. According to the CHA, in 2022, children under the age of 18, 16.4% currently had asthma. This rate was more than 2 times the rate nationwide across the United States.
Main Street features essential facilities including the courthouse, banks, the new police department under construction, the fire department, the behavioral health facility, and a largely abandoned shopping center. In contrast, the Dannenberg Shopping District and the mall remain active. In addition, transportation access is a significant barrier to health equity in El Centro. Local public transit's costs are $1.25 per fare, or 50 cents for seniors, disabled individuals, and Medi-Cal card holders. While costs are relatively low, there are qualifications needed to be eligible for public transportation. According to the Imperial Valley Transit Dispatch Office, individuals must call in advance to be pre-approved for certain transportation services, which may take several days. These expectations pose challenges for residents with limited access to phones, low health literacy, language barriers, or cognitive impairments. This highlights the need for more accessible and inclusive transportation.
Other health challenges included type 2 diabetes, kidney disease, and obesity. Data from the Imperial County Public Health Department of 2024 indicates that 74.6% of adults are classified as overweight or obese. Conditions linked to increased risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, certain cancers, and musculoskeletal disorders. Diabetes affects 14.8% of the city's population. Kidney disease is a serious issue with an average of 31.8 deaths per 100,000 people from 2020 to 2022, and 4.8% of adults reporting diagnoses. These findings underscore the urgent need for targeted public health interventions addresses metabolic and chronic disease within this population. In conclusion, the social determinants identified were limited healthcare access, economic instability, the need for safe and affordable housing, risks related to violence, substance abuse, and extreme weather. Strengths include public safety departments, commercial areas, and access to education throughout the city's various schools.